Right, when I first got this, I thought, how's that a two-in-one? You know, it's got a USB on one end and a jack plug connection on the other. And I thought, well, I don't know. And then I noticed it. It has a female USB on the other side as well. So apparently this can do two things at the same time. It can charge up your mobile device, whether it be a tablet or a phone, and also convert the USB Type-C connection on your device into a jack plug connection. So you can use your headphones to listen to some music. Yeah. And I thought, that's quite good actually. It's not expensive and apparently it's been well made. It's got a nice bit of breathing to it and it's quite bendy as well. And it shouldn't break. It should last for quite a long time. And again, the other thing I liked about this, it's quite cheap to buy. I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. Now then, the way it works is basically a plug and play. So, say for instance you want to charge up your phone. Yeah, I'm doing the phone. So plug it in now. Actually I want it the other way around because you get a better experience. Plug it in now and it's come up straight away. So it's charging it up, or it will be, once I plug in a power source, which is going to be my power bank, just for this little demonstration. You get a little blue light to show it's got connection, and there you go, 81% already. So it's charging up. This does up to 60 watts of power, so it does fast charging. Yes, perfect. Now then, while you're charging it up, you might be thinking, oh, I want to watch something on YouTube, like Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Yeah. So headphones, jack plug connection. Yeah, plug her in. It should recognise it, and it has. It recognises it as an endoscope because I have endoscope software plugged into this, or downloaded onto my phone for when I use my endoscope. Now then, press play. So can you hear that? Let me just double check, make sure I've got the right one. Yeah, 3,500 milliamps. Nice and clear. Good clear audio, and it's quite loud as well. I'm not sure what I've got the volume set on. Oh, go away you. See, even had that turned down. Oh, that's loud. You know, the 2,200, 2,500 amps. I think there was a 2,700. Yeah, really good. A really nice, cheap, cleverly designed product. It's well made, good quality in my opinion, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. Well, it's actually in a bag, but yeah, you know what I mean. So I don't know how much it was. I know it wasn't a lot of money, and I know I didn't have to buy it. It was actually sent to me. But as always, I always do an honest review. For such a cheap, well-made device, it does everything they say or claim it does. It is hi-fi stereo, so it should be good quality audio. It is a fast charger, so perfect for charging up your mobile device, whether it be a phone or tablet. It should work perfectly, and it just works. It's just plug and play. So I just wanted to do a little short video on this. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think, whether you like it or not, or whether you're thinking about buying one, or you think it's perfect for buying it for someone else. Let me know in the comments. I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.